Today we are going to see on the topic flow and error control. The flow control. Flow control means the amount of data can be sent before receiving acknowledgement. It is the main feature involved in data link layer. The flow control is a set of procedures that allows the sender how much data can be transmitted with an acknowledgement from the receiver. Next, error control. Error control includes both error correction and error detection. It allows the receiver to inform the sender if a frame got lost or damaged during transmission. Error control in the link layer based on the principle automatic repeat request, which means if an error occurred during the transmission, the frames are retransmitted. Next, classification of error and flow control mechanisms. It can be classified into three types: stop and wait, go back and ARQ, selective repeat ARQ. First, stop and wait ARQ. In stop and wait mechanisms, if a sender sends a frame, just wait for an acknowledgement until the acknowledgement receives, and then the second data can be transmitted. Likewise, each frame can be waited for an acknowledgement and then it can be transmitted. If the receiver receives a positive acknowledgement only, the second frame can be transmitted. Otherwise, the transmission gets stopped. Stop and wait ARQ with lost acknowledgement frame. When a receiver receives a damaged frame, it discards that frame and wait for another frame. After the timer at the sender expires, another copy of frame 1 is sent. Next, stop and wait with delayed acknowledgement frame. The acknowledgement can be delayed at the receiver or it can be interrupted due to any other problem. It is received after the timer for frame 0 has expired. A sender can retransmit that frame 0 and the receiver discards the duplicate frame 0. The sender receives two acknowledgements. It discards the second acknowledgement, which means at a time if the receiver receives two acknowledgements, one can be discarded. In this method, we have used a method called piggybacking. Piggybacking means a method in which data can be combined with an acknowledgement in a frame. For example, if a station A wants to send a data to station B, it have to acknowledge the station B. For this, in order to reduce the bandwidth, our data can be combined with an acknowledgement and it can be transmitted as a single frame. Next, the basic disadvantages of stop and wait mechanism is at any point in a time there is only one frame must be sent and waiting for the acknowledgement. Hence, the transmission got delayed if a packet got lost. Hence, it reduces its efficiency. For that, we can go for another two protocol, go back and ARQ and selective repeat ARQ. Later we will discuss. Thank you.